Find features that distinguish it from other brands for AMERISUN 21-inch steel deck self-propelled lawn mower, 170cc, OHV engine with forced air cooling system, model AV8621S1. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. Powerful 170cc, OHV, 4-stroke engine with forced air cooling. The 170cc, OHV engine with a forced air cooling system delivers consistent power, improved fuel efficiency, and extended durability, making it perfect for tackling thick grass with ease. Self-propelled 21-inch steel deck for efficient mowing. The rugged 21-inch steel deck enhances durability while providing a wide cutting area for faster mowing. Combined with self-propelled technology, it reduces effort, making mowing smoother and more efficient. 3-in-1 mowing system with large grass bag. Choose between mulching, side discharge, or rear bag collection to suit different lawn conditions. The 1.4 bushel grass bag allows for longer mowing sessions with fewer interruptions, keeping your lawn pristine with minimal effort. Adjustable cutting height and enhanced maneuverability. The single lever height adjustment system offers 6 cutting heights, 1.5 to 3.9 inch, adapting to different grass types and seasons. The 7-inch front and 10-inch rear wheels improve stability and handling on uneven terrains. Quick assembly and low maintenance. Designed for hassle-free setup, this mower requires minimal assembly and straightforward maintenance. With easy access components and a user-friendly design, keeping your mower in top condition has never been easier. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.